is Jordan Barriga Pineda and I'm a PhD student at the University of Pittsburgh. In this video I'm going to tell you about my thesis proposal titled Exploring the Need for Transparency in Educational Recommender Systems. Transparency in recommender system has been mostly studied in e-commerce applications such as online shopping and streaming media services. One of the ways of increasing transparency is by providing explanations that describe all or part of the recommendation approach that is used. The effectivity of these explanations can be measured by different metrics, such as increase in trust, persuasiveness, or satisfaction, which also reflect the underlying reasons of including them. However, effects of explanation have not been largely explored outside e-commerce. As technology-enhanced learning is one of these underexplored domains, I would like to study how explanations can affect students' behavior when working with educational recommender systems. Let's imagine a hypothetical scenario where a student is taking an online programming course equipped with the recommender system, represented by the robot in the image. The system recommends what is the most appropriate problem for that student to try next. In a scenario where there is no transparency, the students can either blindly trust the recommendation or question the recommender's approach. This situation could be affected by students' personality traits, current level of knowledge, amongst other factors. In another scenario, the system discloses that the recommendation is generated based on the recent performance of the student on the different concepts covered by that problem. This is shown through a time-based graph. Even if this gives more or less complete information about the recommendation's generation, it could be complex to process. In a less hypothetical scenario, the system explains why the problem was recommended by using natural language. Even though this could be easier to understand, it could raise some concerns about what type of data the algorithm is using as input. I will explore these different scenarios to know how explanations for educational recommendations have to differentiate from conventional recommendations. If you want to hear the specific research questions, my progress so far, and the techniques I'm planning to use, please stop by. I will be happy to hear your feedback.